Are they absorbing more money in the space, or are there enough riches for all?
Yeah, it's a question I had talked about with a banker recently, which is how scalable is the treasury company approach? I think ultimately it's extremely scalable. It's the largest arbitrage of the century, probably, which is sort of arbitraging the US dollar, euro, the fiat denominated current world with the Bitcoinized future in a few decades. And so, if you think about the addressable market of that being in the 100 trillion to 200 trillion dollar range, there's lots of scope for, even extremely large companies with large cash reserves like Apple, Microsoft, and so on to enter it without making a dent in this market.
To Sonali's point, are you concerned at all about potential conflicts of interest given the proximity of the president's family being involved in this industry? The same question to you that I asked Anthony moments ago, that winners and losers could be picked within the industry.
Well, I think they're all public companies, right? So they're having to compete in the free market. So, ultimately, there's quite a lot of competition and some very fast-paced companies in the sector. Some of them are, smaller companies with a high velocity. Some of the big companies with established businesses. So we'll see how that shakes out in the market. It's generally positive, I think. The current administration in the US improving the regulatory environment for Bitcoin and Bitcoin Layer 2 and Bitcoin settlement companies.